Most people think they struggle with money because they don't earn enough. But the truth is, millions of people with decent incomes are still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because of habits that silently destroy their finances. Today, you'll discover 5 of the most common ones, and the last habit is the most dangerous of all. Habit 1. Spending before saving. Most people save whatever is left at the end of the month. But let's be honest, most months, nothing is left. Smart people do the opposite. They save first and live with what remains. Even if it's just $10 or $20, paying yourself first builds the habit of putting your future before your present. Without this habit, your money will always disappear. If you don't control your money will control you. Habit 2. Not knowing where your money goes. Quick question. Do you know exactly how much you spent last week? If the answer is no, you're not alone. Most people have no idea where their money goes. They just hope it lasts. Small expenses feel harmless. A coffee here, a delivery there, a few subscriptions you forgot about. But added together, these small leaks can drain hundreds of dollars every month. Tracking your spending may feel boring, but it's the first step to taking back control. Habit 3. Treating credit cards like extra income. A credit card is not free money, it's borrowed money. Yet many people swipe without thinking, telling themselves, "I'll deal with it later." Later comes with interest. When you don't pay your balance in full, your future income is already spent. You're working today for things you bought yesterday. Used wisely, credit can be a tool. Used emotionally, it becomes a trap. If you can't afford it in cash, think twice before putting it on a card. Habit 4. Being surrounded by bad money habits. Take a look at the people around you, your friends, your coworkers, your family. If everyone around you is always broke, always complaining, always spending, that becomes your normal. It's hard to save when your circle laughs at budgeting. It's hard to invest when everyone says it's pointless. You don't need to cut people off, but you do need to be careful about whose habits you copy, because money habits are contagious. Habit 5. Believing. When I make more, I'll fix my finances. This is the most dangerous habit of all. People tell themselves, when I get a better job, when I earn more, then I'll start saving. Then I'll get organized. But here's the truth. If you can't manage $1,000, you won't manage $5,000. When income goes up, lifestyle usually goes up too. Bigger expenses replace smaller ones. That's why so many high earners are still broke. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And that starts with habits, not income. The good news is this: habits can be changed. You don't need to fix everything today. Just pick one habit from this list and start there. Small changes, repeated daily, create big results over time. If you want more simple money tips that actually work, subscribe to Money City and take control of your financial future. Your future self will thank you.